Play ko na.
Oh.
Mabilis lang to baka parang ano yung experience natin
sige,
nung
sige.
nag-ano tayo. 20 seconds lang to.
Ay, nay. Okay. Oh, fuck. Wow, parang ano ba siya?
Ready?
Uy, yo! Oh! Hey, what's up, Peters R, guys? It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YTSD Goblogan. And we are the Marvelous Lovers Squad. In today's video, we are about to, we actually already reacted, and I wasn't expecting us to have a long conversation after watching the video, so we just made this intro after making a short after review. We just watched Marvel Entertainment's Spider-Man Brand New Day trailer reveal. Hindi na ako magda-dive in kasi again, napanood na natin ito. So skip na tayo dun sa after review natin. Wow, okay. In fairness na ano ako dun, hindi ko in-expect yung tunog na yun. Like, naiyak ako dun. Yun yung ending ni Spider-Man eh. Yung pumasok siya sa apartment.
Really?
Yun eh. Oo, naiyak ako.
Alam mo ba yan? Yung play?
Alam ko.
Sa?
Exciting! Brand New Day. So, super lumayo na sila dun sa home titles nila. And the costume, it's new. And for some reason, parang nagmukha siyang matured.
Nag-iba yung tsura
Si Tom Holland.
Tumanda
itsura niya.
Nakita niyo yung ano niya, spider niya? Naging iba na.
Yun nga, nag-iba nga. Yung
ano na, mas
classic.
Mas classic.
Tobey Maguire
mas
vibes. Hindi na yung bilog.
Oo, sharp na. Gagi angas.
Natuwa ako dun sa tunog. Ay, parang hindi siya bagay yung tunog kasi remembering yung kung saan galing yun, yung pumasok siya sa apartment na mag-isa na lang siya. Parang naiiyak ako pero parang na-excite ako at the same time kasi mag-shoot na sila for Brand New Day. So, I don't know how to feel. Basta naiyak ako dun for some reason. There it goes.
So, nag-start na sila mag-shoot which means next year yan?
Yeah. Can't wait for a trailer, bro. Excited ako lagi for Spider-Man. Yung mga trailers ng Spider-Man, parang yun yung isa sa mga pinaka-nilook forward ko. Especially nung No Way Home. Yung lumabas sila Doc Ock.
Alam mo, hatest ko dati si Spider-Man. Pero sa journey natin nang nag-rewatch tayo, ganyan.
Bakit?
Kasi takot ako doon sa Tobey Maguire. Nakakatakot kasi napanood ko siya ng bata ako.
Sabi mo nga.
Tapos na-trauma ako. Pero nung pinanood na natin siya, tapos lahat na ng Spider-Man, parang siya na yung isa sa mga favorite ko talaga. Tapos itong kay Tom Holland kasi, parang I guess mas attached ako sa kanya. Kasi siya yung nasusubaybayan ko yung pagiging
Actually,
like,
from young siya eh.
Oo, tapos ito na siya, like may bagong form na naman siya. So, wala lang, na-hype lang ako talaga. Like, inaabangan ko din talaga. Naiiyak din ako! Wala! Naiiyak din ako! Excited ako kay Spider-Man! Grabe, isa siya sa, I can say, I think, isa siya sa mga favorite ko talaga. Or at least, pinaka namimiss ko. So, seeing him, parang, kahit ang short lang nun, hindi dun siya.
Actually, may isa pang video na may isa pa. 1 minute. Pero hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Baka medyo spoiler na yun.
Go mo.
Gusto mo makita?
Go mo.
Alrighty. So how you feeling? Yeah, feel good, man. It's day one. Day one. My fourth ever day one Spider-Man. You know, it's funny putting the suit on. It feels different.
Shang-Chi director, bro. Tama ba? Shang-Chi ba yun?
Huh? Hindi ko nakita.
So it's really exciting to share this with them.
Tama ba?
We've got some familiar faces on set. You know, I'm just going to do my best. Hopefully get it right. No pressure.
Yeah, di ba Shang-Chi?
Siya ba?
Oo, alam ko Shang-Chi. Or am I racist?
Look. Alam mo, may nakita ata akong Easter egg nila. May nakita ako. Hindi napinsin niya? Hindi niya nakita. May icon dito sa harap. Ito parang dito si Tom Holland. May icon dito na parang ano eh. Hindi ko
na
na i-describe. Basta face eh.
I'm pretty sure alam ko yung sinasabi mo. Siyempre medyo nakakita na din ako ng mga Easter eggs based on that sneak peek nung first day nila. Pero ayoko na lang i-entertain, guys. But we're gonna have a blast on Brand New Day. I'm pretty sure. Any thoughts about the first day sneak peekers?
I think napanindigan nila yung costume niya nung last niyang pakita na medyo shiny. Blue. I'm still getting used to it. Kasi parang hindi ganyan yung sa mga kay nila Andrew tsaka kay Parang hindi ganun ka-shiny. Pero yun, regardless, parang interested naman ako sa take nila dito sa bagong Spider-Man.
I think it looks good yung shiny.
Yeah.
Mukha siyang brand new.
Brand new day.
Mukha siyang brand new. Excited lang ako. Mukha naman silang masaya. Masaya din ako.
Kaya, parang iba yung setting na ito eh. Parang iba eh. Parang naka-feel talaga ako na nag-mature talaga si Parang feel ko yung film na to magiging different yung tone niya. Mas matured talaga.
Yeah.
May honestly dun sa clips na yun, parang na-feel ko yung Tobey Maguire scenes. Yun nasa New York siya, kalaban niya si Green Goblin. Medyo ganun yung tone tsaka yung building sa yung background.
Yeah, agree ako dun sa parang feeling ko nga mas magiging mature to given nga na ganun yung ending na nangyari kaya so solo living siya, wala na siyang Aunt May. So, magiging very different Spider-Man to. I'm gonna call it na ibang Tom Holland, ibang Peter Parker.
Oo, iba na to. Hindi ko alam. Excited ako kasi actually sila eh. I-reset talaga din nila si Tom Holland eh. Kasi wala talagang may kilala sa kanya ngayon.
Kaya nilang i-reset, like i-ibahin.
Kaya niya mag-reset si Peter Parker.
Pero wag naman sana. Siyempre sana may attributes pa rin siya dun sa dati.
I'm gonna be a cool kid now.
One more thing, I think, again, yung nakita kong director nila, I feel like Shang-Chi director.
Siya ba yun? Search mo na, search mo.
Para hindi tayo racist. Yes.
Ooh.
Destin Daniel Cretton. Yeah, Shang-Chi director na currently will be directing Brand New Day. So we're gonna see lots of action.
Oh my God.
Scenes this.
Malupit to, man.
Yeah.
Malupit to.
Exciting.
Is Shang-Chi gonna
be here?
Probably.
Though. Possible. Given na si director natin, nandun sa universe ni Shang-Chi, kilala niya, dapat ilabas mo na siya dito. I think it's about time na pakita nila si Shang-Chi kasi we have no idea what's happening kay Shang-Chi.
Tsaka ang ganda ng character ni Shang-Chi, ni Shang-Chi, man. Marvel, Kevin, ba't yung sinasayang? Dami niyong nilulutong ibang luto niyo na yung naluto.
Alright, so there we have it with Marvel Entertainment sneak peek kay Tom Holland, Spider-Man, Brand New Day. Very exciting. Looking forward to it. I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, hitting the notification button to not miss any future contents from ours truly. Comment down below. Do you want to see Shang-Chi in this movie? Is that a yes or a no? Doing all this would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience are not yet subscribed. 300 out of 3,000 watch hours is still a long way to go, so it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out for us to be able to continue our passion on creating quality entertainment content for y'all. We'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, movie and trailer reviews, so stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my YouTube, Twitch, TikTok accounts at YKSD Goblokis. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblokis. And we are the Marvel Slumber Squad. Stay epic, stay legendary. We'll see you guys on the next video. Peace and moi!